Hello, this is another example of using the if-else statement. I'm just going to test this movie, and let's do this. And you can see here Guy, excuse me, is running, and I've got this button. When I click this button, if Guy is visible, which he is at the moment, when I click it, it's going to become invisible. And if I click it again, and when I click this button, if Guy is invisible, it's going to make him visible again. So it's just alternating between being visible and being invisible. And this is just using the if-else statement. So let's see how we do this. So if I bring up the actions frame, okay, so this is what it looks like. So I've got this button here, which has got an instance name of visibility, which is here, and I've given it a listener. It's listening for the click event, and when that happens, it's going to run the function called onClick, which is here. And so what I want to do then is I'm going to type this. So if Guy, and then I'm going to say dot visible. You could also use alpha here as well, but it doesn't really matter. Alpha or visible is fine. So if Guy dot visible equals true, so if Guy is visible, then I want to make him invisible. So I'm going to say, so just to note again, I'm using the 2 equal sign here. When you use a 2 equal signs, it means we're comparing. We're not making it equal to, but we're just comparing is visible equal to true. But now we're going to say Guy dot visible with the single equals to actually change it to false. So that if when we click the button, if Guy is visible, we're going to make him invisible. Else, so this is the key thing. If Guy is not visible, so we want to make him visible. So I'm going to do this. Whoops. Guy dot visible equals true. So if when I click the button Guy is visible, then it makes him invisible. But if he isn't visible when we click the button, then we'll make him visible. So if I test this just to check that I've done this all correct. So we've got this here. So is Guy visible? Yes, he is. So when I click the button, he'll become invisible. When I click the button again, is Guy visible? No, he's not. So he does the else bit. The else bit of our code, which is here. The else bit of our code, so that if he isn't visible, then we're going to make him visible. So there we go. And this is another great use of using the else statement. It's great if you want to alternate between 2 states. In this case, visible and not visible. Okay, goodbye.